The car is not okay.
Honda doesn't have leg.
But I
Right?
can make it to be okay.
Yeah, I believe that. Yeah.
I can make it to be okay.
But
Because
but
I'm very professional in this. See what we look into. Give me 1.2 million to take care of everything with the spraying of this car, the beauty, and everything. I'll make it to be okay. And I promise you that. Give me 1.2. I will take care of this car, the interior and everything. The doors for has bent. Yes.
Now I get.
Sir, give me 1.2 to take care of this car. I'll make it to be okay.
No problem. I'll transfer this to your account.
This is the brake disc. This brake disc work, the caliper. And see the caliper is the brake pad. When the car is moving around,
He holds the brake, right?
when you want to see when you see danger and you are surprised, you mad brake. This is what called brake. Example from the car owner, be very careful from the brake pad. Anytime you went to your mechanic, always tell your mechanic to check your brake pad. Always tell your mechanic to check your brake pad. This brake pad help for many things. In fact, the brake pad is important more than the tire. But you can see a danger, the brake pad can help you. This is the brake pad, and the brake pad is not okay.
The caliper makes the brake pad move, right?
Wow. The caliper make the discs work well. Example, this is work on back camber bushing. Where the back camber bushing have gone, and we have a lot of things for here. Just like this kind of sound, it's not okay. You need to work on it. This is the shock absorber. The shock absorber are bad because the heating of this thing affects the shock absorber. You need to change just the complete
Beam and the shocks, right?
the complete of this beam. Complete of it. Yes.
So, but the interior of this Honda, if I should say, is the interior okay than
The mirror is
Toyota?
okay.
Wow.
It's working well. Nobody can break a mirror. When sometimes your car hit you like this, you will think say that your mirror don't waste. Maybe waste. This is the original mirror you believe in this.
Okay, but sorry to ask, in interior, Honda or Toyota, which of the motor have interior?
Toyota is better than Honda. Honda do not have instrument.
But they have body, right?
Wow, they have body. Wow. They have body. But in real way, Toyota is better than Honda. To say the fact and the truth. I'm a Japanese mechanic. I work in automobile company at Kugo Mechanic. This example, come let me show you something. See the heating of this car, that has the from back affect this thing. It makes the car. This is what called the chassis of the car.
It affects the chassis, right?
Wow. It affect the chassis and the car is not straight no more. We need to take it to the system and work under it proper to make everything be okay. See the tire? This is the tire of the car. The tire is okay, but the rim has got injury. Are you getting me? Wow. Let us look about
The front of the motor, right?
front of the car. This is not okay. This it gets some issues. We need to look into
Okay, but sure you ordered for the back and front bumper.
yes.
Will it be stable when the bumper is there?
Yes. I will make everything be okay. I give you 100% sure.
But I want that bulletproof get fixed. That airbag. He just cracked for the accident.
She will change the mirror.
Yes, everything. Go the back.
This mirror, you take it, look at it now. Have a love crashes. But the main...
No, I must change it.
Okay, do you want to work on top the mirror?
Yes.
Oh.
You should ask price for back and front. I would like to know the price.
Oh. Okay, sir.
Can I get the price now? Can't you call him? Let me
I will look about that later, sir.
Okay, sir. You call me that.
This is what calls from protector. Protect the dick. It protect many things about the car. Make the car beauty out. Make everything be sweet about it. This is the bush. The wiper
That supply water to the windscreen, right?
Wow, yes. Wow. You need to work on it, sir.
Okay, sure. You will do that, sir. I'll clear that inside.
This one is good. It's okay.
It's okay, the tire, right?
It's okay.
Well, I would like that to be gauged. They will gauge it for me. Let me confirm the catalyst. If you see inside, if you see, let me confirm it. Like how much will the catalyst cost now in market for this Honda Direct?
The catalyst of this car is 450,000.
Okay, the three bar.
No, this Honda have one.
Okay, only one.
Long port. It costs 450,000.
The port is long, only one.
Wow.
So what's the use of the catalyst?
The catalyst make the car go well and it sound well and the consumer of the fuel and the firing of the car. In your car, if somebody stole catalyst in your car through the starting, we know.
You will know.
Well, and through this moving of the car, we know. There's many improvement about that. And but the catalyst is inside.
Okay, you confirm it, right?
Wow. It's inside.
So what about the back shock?
The
This
back
leg shock, is it okay?
No,
I would like you to check it for me, please.
when you are talking about the shock, they don't buy one shock, they buy two shock.
Okay.
Economy set. As far as we are changing that side on, we need to change the set to make everything be okay. This tire have.
No, as you said, I'll change the four.
Okay, the
Already,
four of it.
yes,
The four
already
of
the
the
tire I've eaten already.
Yes, this what called the exhaust.
Stable, right?
Wow. Come and see something. Come down.
Okay.
Come down and see something. This what called the down of the car, the chassis, the exhaust, the beam, the bushing, and the tank. Now the problem of this car is all.
Where does the catalyst locate?
Wow, the catalyst located by the exhaust.
Wow. Okay.
So we need to fix everything, but still remember the catalyst is inside, sir.
Yes, I confirm it.
Wow.
So the two lights, right? You bring it.
Wow, they will bring the set of the lights. You say this everything about this car is set.
We
Work with set to make everything be alright and beautiful. Still come again.
I would like
this is
let
what
us-
called
let
the
it-
air filometer, and the air filometer work with air. Without the air filometer, the car cannot fire well. This is what called sensor, air filometer sensor. Without the air filometer sensor, the car cannot fire well. So now present, the air filometer has moved. It's not okay. We need to
change that.
We need to change it. So we'll look about this another day.
So I'd like you to check one of my cars out there.
Oh. this everything about the car, and they have given me order to do everything. They still give me almost just only 1 week. I will take care of the car and the interior and everything will be 100% sure. This is automobile mechanic. I work in automobile mechanic. Still remember automobile mechanic. Still remember automobile mechanic. And yes. Thankful mechanic. Wow.
Are you done, right?
Wow. I'm done.